guys, so I got this fidget spinner from a dollar store, and I've seen a lot of people saying like $1 fidget spinner versus $100 fidget spinner. And there's usually the metal ones like this that are $100, and I got this from the dollar store for $17, so it's a pretty good deal. And it comes in a case with like a little window, so you can see it. I had another plastic one from the dollar store that was only like $10, and the bearing cover broke and fell off, and it wouldn't go back on. And I'm sorry for like the lighting and stuff. I know it's not the best lighting, but what are you gonna do? So this is really shiny, and let's take it out. First thing I noticed is it isn't the best quality, because this bearing cover, you can see like there's a little bit of the metal showing, but that's fine. This one's perfect, and it's a pretty good spinner, and it's kind of loud, but that's okay. And we will be doing a time test to see how long it'll spin. And it does spin on tables, which I know a lot of people want. So, yeah, it's a pretty good spinner. And I gotta just go and get my phone so I can time it. Okay, so I got my phone so I can time it, and my phone's gonna die soon. My iPod, actually. It's gonna die soon, but then we gotta do it fast. So let's go. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Ready, set, go. And remember, this is like from the dollar store, so my hopes aren't very high for this. Like, I'll be happy if it makes it to 30 seconds, which I know it will. So we're at 35 seconds now. 40 seconds. And it's still going. This, I think, might even make it to a minute. And it's still spinning. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's stopping. Oh, we're at a minute, 5 seconds. Still going. Okay, so this is our final time. 1 minute, sorry it's backwards for you guys, but 1 minute, 20 seconds. And that is from the dollar store. And I know a lot of other fidget spinners from like Amazon and stuff, they don't make it to a minute. So I've been seeing these a lot, but the size, it's pretty small. Like, but it's a pretty good spinner. Like, my friend's 5-year-old sister has it, and like, my friend's 5-year-old sister, she has the exact one, and she broke it twice. The bearing cover she took off, and they're not supposed to come off that easy. They're screwing, but still, it was pretty cool to see how this can actually spin. So I'm gonna put it back in. Oh, and by the way, so there's just this this styrofoam piece with the cutout. Then this really thin styrofoam piece, like if I put it over here, you can still kind of see. So. Hi. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, I've been spinning it, obviously. And it's pretty good for, like, tests and stuff. So, I'll just put it back. And see you next time. Until then, bye.